Hello everyone and welcome to another Motivational Monday. I am your host, David Lewis. I remember someone once telling me that if your dreams don't scare you, then they're too small. We all know there's a time and a place to be realistic, to play it safe, or to be complacent. When you're setting your life or career goals, it's not one of them. This is a go big or go home moment. You should be setting goals that are frightening a bit. They should seem intimidating and even risky because these are the places and things you want to strive for. You can let fear dictate your decisions and play it carefully, running away from success. Or you can be the person that realizes they only have one life to live and to go for it. Your dreams and goals might seem too big to reach. They might seem like they're beyond your resources, beyond your abilities, and beyond your qualifications. Well, guess what? None of this matters. Let yourself be driven. Rise to the occasion and fill yourself with the skills necessary to push you closer to making them real. Don't play defense with your life. Life is an offensive game where you're both the coach and the quarterback. You not only make the plays, you execute them as well. But remember, dreaming big is not enough. Dreaming by itself is not going to deliver results. Only action will. The dreams and goals that you have are just the beginning of your journey. They are your vision that will keep you on track and fuel your desires to make them happen. Think about a car. When you turn it on, it's not going to move unless you take further action. The same is true with your goals and your dreams. But to move forward and take the next step can be a daunting task. So, the best place to start is by creating an action plan. What steps are you going to have to take to make these thoughts a reality? Next, be sure to not let anything distract you from this path. Fight against your own self-sabotage. Don't let limiting beliefs, doubts, and negativity interfere. This goes for negative people as well. Don't let anyone tell you your dreams are impossible to achieve or that they are unrealistic. Nelson Mandela once said, "It always seems impossible until it's done." So model yourself on successful people. Look at those who have come before you and succeeded. Look at those who have risen to the level you want to be at and follow their lead. And finally, commit. The sooner you're committed to your life and career, the better off and happier you'll be. Commit yourself to achieve your goals and reap the benefits of that success.